We live in a flat world where we manufacture products in one place for the consumption by people who live somewhere else. In this context, I have a couple of questions for you. First, where would you introduce a product that is targeted at older people? Second, assuming that both the genders are treated equally, who would you target more, men or women? To answer these questions, we will use data collected and curated meticulously by the United Nations. Of course, we will focus only on aging population. You can access this data openly from the website data.un.org. In this demo, I will show you how data on demographics can support us in coming up with business ideas. Also, we will examine the global trend in aging and suggest some likely business propositions. We will narrow our analysis to 6 prominent countries. As you will notice, all these countries have large populations. They are China, Germany, India, Japan, UK and USA. For each country, there is a different data set in the UN database. To look at the data sets, let's move on to my screen. Okay, this is a spreadsheet we will be working on. As you can see, I have copied the data set of each country into a separate sheet in this spreadsheet. So this is a data set on China. In this sheet we have data set on Germany, and it goes on. Let us get back to China. For our analysis, we are interested in 4 variables. They are country, which is the name of the country, year for which the data population has been enumerated, and then we have area, that is whether we are looking at total area or just urban or rural. Then there is sex. Here we see whether we are looking at male population, female population or the total population of both sexes, and of course the most important variable is age. Let's look at the age column. Under this you can see ages like 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the years, and you can also see ranges 0 to 4, 15 to 19, 20 to 24, and across each of these you can see the total population. So this is the total population of China, whereas this is the total population between ages 0 and 1. Now for further analysis, we will use a very useful spreadsheet tool called filters. We will be using them very liberally in this demo. So let's click on the filter button. It's on the ribbon right here. When you click on it, what do you see? You see that arrows coming up on the first row. So now open the drop down box. Here are a whole bunch of functions we can perform on the column this filter is on. I'll demonstrate a couple of functions. Now let us take year. When I click on it, you can see years like 1982, 1987, 1990. Scroll down, you can see 2000, 2010. Now select the year of your choice. Let's first deselect all, and I would like to look at data of 1990, 2000 and 2010 only. Let's decide which age group we will examine. How about age group of people 80 and above? Click the age filter, uncheck the select all box, go down directly to the age groups and check 80 to 84, 85 to 89, 85 and above, and we also need the total population. So select the total population. Oh, we have 90 to 94 and 95 to 99 also. Let's select it all. Alright. We are now looking at people aged 80 or over. Now let's examine how their populations have grown over decades. We focus on people living within rural and urban areas. So simply select total under the area column. Then we focus on the years 1990, 2000 and 2010. So go ahead and select those 3 years. We want numbers for male, female and both, so don't uncheck anything in this filter. By applying all the filters, we are left with data set that will drive our analysis. That is how we prepared our data for China.